Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing about the questions and answers of an examination that was conducted by Rajasthan Public Service Commission RPSC for the post of a food safety officer. This exam was held in the month of November in 2019. As always, I will be discussing about the questions related to food only. So before beginning, I want to tell that in this video I will be covering 22 questions and I will try to cover the rest of the questions in my next video. So let's start. The first question. Example of gel is. The answer is butter. Gel is a colloidal solution in which solid is the dispersion medium and the liquid is the dispersion phase. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Which of the following pairs is mixed matched? Number 1. Fimbriae attached to surfaces. This is true. Pili, reproduction. During conjugation, pili is required. Glycocalyx, protection from phagocytes. And the last one is plasma membrane, single layered. This one is the correct answer. That is, this one is a mismatched, because plasma membrane is generally bilayered. That means it has 2 layers. Next question. What is the limiting value of water activity for the growth of any microorganism? Which means how much water activity should a food substance or any substance contain for the microorganisms to grow in it. That is, the water activity must be greater than 0.91. Next question. Question number 4. Aflatoxin is produced by. The answer is almost known to everyone. The answer is Aspergillus species. Question number 5. Which of the following bacteria produce aflatoxin? The answer is Clostridium perfringens. Next question. Methods for estimation of nitrogen are. As we all know, the very common method that is used, that is Geltall method. So the answer is in between 2 and 3. Carius method is a method which is used to measure the halogens, and Dumas is another method by which we can measure nitrogen. So the answer is 3, Dumas and Geltall method. Question number 7. Sauerkraut is generally prepared from. The answer is cabbage. Microorganism dash is responsible for the formation of beer and wine, and its fermented end product is dash. The answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae and ethanol, because beer and wine both contains ethanol, that is alcohol. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. Which of the following is fermented by koji? The answer is soybean. Moving on to the next question. Number of GTP formed after complete aerobic oxidation of one molecule of glucose. The answer is 2. Agaricus bisporus is. The answer is number 1, a foodstuff. Agaricus bisporus is a mushroom. Next question. Fatty acids are oxidized by alpha and beta oxidation. Next question. Captafol is a fungicide. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following vitamin is anti-hemorrhagic? The answer is vitamin K. Blood clotting factor needs vitamin K for their production, so it is named as anti-hemorrhagic. Next question. What is the general mechanism of an enzyme? The answer is it acts by decreasing the activation energy. The graph looks like this. This is the activation energy required at the beginning, and when an enzyme acts, the activation energy decreases. It decreases the activation energy. This is the activation energy. This is the graph. This is the energy required, and this is the reaction in progress. So this is the energy barrier, that is also known as activation energy. Moving on to the next question. Methyl and ethyl alcohol are detoxified in the human body by oxidation, and this detoxification takes place in the liver. Moving on to question number 17. Consumption of raw egg whites causes deficiency of. The answer is biotin. Biotin is B7, vitamin B7. Question number 18. Which is not included into 5 kingdom system of classification? As we all know, the 5 system classification was given by R.H. Whitaker, and it included Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. So among this, which is not included is viruses, viroids, and lichens. Question number 19. There are 2 lists given here. Match list number 1 minerals with list number 2 functions and choose correct answer. List number 1, calcium. Calcium maintains the blood coagulation. Sodium maintains the electrical equilibrium between intercellular. Iron helps to reduce anemia. Iodine, formation of thyroid hormone. So among this option, which matches with the previous answer, that is A1, B2, C3 and D4, the answer which matches with this option is A1, B2, C3 and D4. So the answer is 3. Moving on to the next question, question number 20. What is not true about prokaryotes? The answer is presence of mitochondria. Basically, mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell, and it is present in the eukaryotes, and this is also a membrane-bound organelle present in a cell. So this is not true about prokaryotes. Rest, it does not have a nuclear membrane. Prokaryotes doesn't contain a nuclear membrane. Their ribosomes are small, that is 70S ribosomes are present, and it is usually single chromosome. Next question. Which one of the following is the scientific name of catfish? The answer is Valego ati. Valego ati. Question number 22. Which one of the following blood clotting factor is known as Hagman's factor? The answer is factor 12. Coagulation factor 12, it is a plasma protein. Thank you so much for viewing this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe, share, and give your comments in the feedback region. Thank you so much.